Imagine your toaster texting you, "It's done." No, really. Welcome to the wild world of IoT, where everyday things get surprisingly chatty and smart beyond your imagination. What started as a quirky idea, connecting a few gadgets, has exploded into a global web of devices that make our homes, cities, and workplaces feel like they're alive and thinking. From factory floors humming with smart machines to apps that predict what you'll binge watch next, IoT didn't just evolve. It sprinted, reshaping how tech helps us live and work. Behind the scenes, smart software solutions collect mountains of data from these devices, turning chaos into clarity. And guess what? That's a game changer for businesses striving to be sharper and faster. The real magic? IoT is no longer science fiction. It's the secret sauce in projects solving real problems. From energy-saving homes to health monitors that actually care about you. As we build smarter software projects, IoT is the buzzing brain, painting vivid digital landscapes where connected devices talk, learn, and make life smoother. Every IoT success story is a reminder that technology isn't just code. It's creativity, courage, and a little bit of curiosity pushing the edges of what's possible. So, here's a mind bender. What if your future self is powered by the choices you make today? Smarter, more connected, unstoppable. If this sparks something wild in you, smash like, fling that share button like it owes you money, and drop a comment that'll make us all think differently today.